Today, we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 and why it's such an awesome gaming console. And let me tell you, the DualSense wireless controller is a big part of that awesomeness. When PlayStation 5 launched in 2020, I was blown away by the quality and performance of the DualSense controller. It was seriously next level. The tactile feedback it provided was mind-blowing. It made other controllers out there feel old and outdated in comparison. Now, it's been over 3 years since the PlayStation 5 hit the shelves, and we've seen some big-name gaming accessory companies come up with their own controllers to rival the DualSense. So, we decided to do some research and test out these controllers specifically designed for different game genres and styles. We wanted to find out which ones are worth considering if you want to take your gaming experience to the next level, or if you're looking to gift something awesome to your favorite gamer. So, let's dive into it and see what we've found. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about the best racing wheel for PlayStation 5. And the one that comes to mind is the Logitech G Driving Force G29 racing wheel. This accessory is a must-have if you're into racing games like Gran Turismo 7 and F1 2022. First off, the G29 creates a full driving simulation experience. It's designed to give you that realistic feel when you're racing on your favorite tracks. The force feedback provided by its duo of motors really adds to the immersion, making you feel every turn, bump, and drift. One of the standout features of the G29 is its steering wheel and paddles, which offer great tactility. The wheel is wrapped in leather, providing a comfortable grip, and the steel shifter paddles give you that satisfying click when you shift gears. Another pro is the long warranty that comes with the G29. With a 2-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that Logitech has your back if anything goes wrong. The G29 does require quite a bit of space to set up. So, if you have limited room in your gaming setup, you might need to make some adjustments or find a suitable spot for it. Keep that in mind before making your purchase. But overall, the Logitech G Driving Force G29 racing wheel is an excellent choice for PlayStation 5 racing enthusiasts. It comes with a leather-wrapped wheel, steel shifter paddles, and LED indicator lights to enhance your racing experience. Additionally, it includes a high-quality 3-pedal module, giving you a complete racing simulation setup. And if you're looking for even more realism, you can opt for the optional manual gear shifter. Logitech has also made sure that the G29 is user-friendly. It's equipped with easy-to-access PlayStation controls, allowing you to navigate your console's interface without needing to switch controllers. When it comes to attaching the G29, you won't face any difficulties. It has sturdy clamps and mounting points, making it easy to attach to a table, desk, or even a racing simulator. So, no matter where you're playing, you can set it up hassle-free. At number 4, we're going to talk about the best gaming controller for PlayStation Remote Play on your iPhone. And that is none other than the Backbone 1 mobile gaming controller for iPhone. Let me tell you, this controller is a game changer. One of the best things about it is how quick and easy it is to install. It literally takes seconds, so you can start gaming right away. No complicated setup or lengthy process involved. Now, let's talk about the controls. They are super responsive, which is crucial for any gaming controller. The thumbsticks and buttons on the Backbone 1 have exceptional tactility, giving you precise control over your gameplay. You won't have to worry about any lag or delays here. Another great feature is the standard audio jack. This means you can use your favorite wired headset while gaming. Trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to the overall immersive experience. No more relying on Bluetooth or dealing with audio issues. Just plug in your headset and enjoy crystal clear sound. One downside, though, is that the current version of the Backbone 1 uses a Lightning connector. It would be great to have a version with a USB-C connector, especially considering the shift towards USB-C in recent devices. The Backbone 1 is specifically designed for PlayStation Remote Play on your iPhone. It was developed in collaboration with the PlayStation team, so you know it's optimized for the best experience. Plus, it has the same sleek white finish as the DualSense controller that comes with Sony's latest console. It's like having a piece of the PlayStation experience right in your hands. But here's the best part. The Backbone 1 isn't just limited to PlayStation Remote Play. It's also compatible with other iOS gaming titles. So whether you're playing your favorite PlayStation games or exploring new mobile games, this controller has got you covered. And guess what? You can even charge your iPhone while gaming with the Backbone 1. Just connect it to your iPhone using the Lightning connector and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can also use the backbone one as a wired controller by connecting it to an iPad or a Mac using a USB-C to Lightning cable. At number 3, we're going to talk about the Scuf Reflex gaming controller for PlayStation 5, and let me tell you, it's all about customization. This controller takes customization to a whole new level, making it one of the most customizable options out there. One of the biggest pros of the Scuf Reflex is its fully customizable design. You have the power to create your very own unique controller by choosing the colors for the buttons, panels, triggers, and grips. It's like a painter's dream come true. The level of personalization here is off the charts. But customization isn't the only thing this controller has going for it. It also delivers stellar gaming performance. The Reflex is built to enhance your gaming experience with its high-quality construction and responsive controls. It's designed to give you the edge you need to dominate the competition. And let's not forget about the adjustable triggers. This is a feature that serious gamers will appreciate. You can customize the trigger buttons to have a shorter travel distance, which is crucial for competitive gameplay. When every millisecond counts, having instant trigger buttons can make all the difference. One of the cons of the Scuf Reflex is its underwhelming warranty. It only comes with a 6-month warranty, which is a bit disappointing considering the price you pay for this controller. It would be nice to have a longer warranty period for peace of mind. But overall, the Scuf Reflex is a luxurious alternative to the standard DualSense controller. It offers a level of customization that is hard to beat. You can create the controller of your dreams, both in terms of looks and functionality. The ability to customize the trigger buttons and grips gives you an extra level of control during intense gaming sessions. Coming in at number 2, we're going to talk about the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro wireless gaming controller, and why it's considered one of the best options out there when it comes to lighting and button tactility. First of all, the button tactility on this controller is absolutely top-notch. Razer has implemented their Mecha Tactile technology, which means that when you press the buttons and D-pad, you get instant responses and a satisfying click that sets it apart from other controllers. It just feels great to use, and it adds an extra level of immersion to your gaming experience. Another great feature is the customizable RGB lighting. Razer is known for their Chroma RGB lighting system, and they've brought it to the Wolverine V2 Pro. You can customize the lighting to match your personal style, or even sync it up with other Razer devices you may have. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot of personality to your gaming setup. In terms of performance, the Wolverine V2 Pro excels in both wired and wireless modes. It comes with a USB dongle for wireless connectivity, and it performs flawlessly. You won't experience any lag or connectivity issues, which is crucial for intense gaming sessions. One downside is that the Wolverine V2 Pro doesn't have haptic feedback. Haptic feedback has become a popular feature in controllers, providing more immersive vibrations and feedback during gameplay. So, if you're someone who really values haptic feedback, this might be a deal breaker for you. Another downside is that it doesn't come with a bundled storage case. Some other high-end controllers often include a storage case to keep everything organized and protected when you're not using it. It's not a huge issue, but it would have been nice to have that extra convenience. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the Wolverine V2 Pro is a bit on the pricey side. It's actually more expensive than Sony's top-of-the-line DualSense Edge controller. So, you have to weigh the benefits of the button tactility and customizable lighting against the absence of haptic feedback and the higher price tag. In terms of key specs, the Wolverine V2 Pro offers swappable thumbsticks, adjustable triggers, and customizable buttons, giving you a lot of flexibility to customize the controller to your liking. It also supports both wired and wireless connectivity options. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the best controller for fighting games on the PlayStation 5. If you're a fan of arcade-style fighters and looking for the perfect controller to enhance your gaming experience, then look no further than the Hori Fighting Commander OCTA controller. First of all, the button layout is absolutely perfect for arcade-style fighters. It's designed with fighting game aficionados in mind, making it easy to execute those complex combos and special moves with precision. The buttons are placed in a way that feels natural and comfortable, allowing you to focus on the game without any distractions. Another great feature of this controller is its super responsive thumbstick. It offers excellent control and accuracy, giving you that edge in competitive matches. Whether you're pulling off precise movements or quickly reacting to your opponent's actions, this thumbstick won't let you down. And let's not forget about the price. The Hori Fighting Commander OCTA controller is surprisingly affordable, especially when compared to other high-end controllers on the market. You're getting a lot of value for your money with this one. One downside of this controller is that it doesn't have vibrating feedback. While this may not be a deal breaker for everyone, some players enjoy the immersive experience that vibration can provide. So, if you're someone who appreciates that tactile feedback, you might miss it with this controller. Overall, the Hori Fighting Commander OCTA wired controller is a fantastic option for PlayStation 5 fighting game enthusiasts. It's a reliable backup to Sony's DualSense controller and offers a button layout and thumbstick that are perfect for arcade-style fighters. It's affordable and gives you that competitive edge you need to dominate your opponents. In terms of key specs, the controller features a 6-button layout and a short throw stick. It connects to your PlayStation 5 through a wired USB connection, ensuring a stable and responsive connection. Additionally, it comes with an adjustable D-pad and includes an audio jack for connecting a wired headset. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.